Welcome to Vehicles Bro. In this video, we will talk about how to get rid of the Kia Soul backup camera problem. Watch this video till the end, you will get the idea. Well, the most common possible cause is a bad camera and corrosion or rust inside the camera lens, which turns your camera not working or the screen flickering in black. Let's have a look at them and how to fix it. Number 1. Bad camera. If the camera is worn out completely, you need to replace it. Number 2. Faulty wiring. If your backup camera has faulty wiring, then harness and wiring need to be checked if they are loose. Number 3. Corrosion in the lens. Check inside the camera cover to see if there is dust, debris, or corrosion. Disassemble the camera, clean the lens gently with a soft cloth, and be careful not to scratch it. Number 4. Bad head unit. Check inside the head unit if the power cable connected to the backup camera is loose or damaged. And Number 5. Bad camera fuse. If your backup camera isn't working, the fuse may have blown. Replace if you find a problem. Hope after watching this video will clear your confusion. Thanks for watching.